Johnny Depp was disturbed by a horror film, saying, "Some kind of horrible, involuntary noise flew out of my body." Even though he starred in a legendary horror film, Johnny Depp wasn't always the most intolerant of people when it came to watching movies of the same genre, despite his first-hand, iconic experience with things going bump in the night. For many actors starting out in their careers, starring in a schlocker is a rite of passage. While many of the next big stars ended up at the bottom of the qualitative barrel in these roles, Depp broke the mold by appearing in Wes Craven's A Nightmare and squirting out blood in a geyser. Having ticked off that box early doors, he never really came into contact with straightforward horror all that often in the years to come. There have been exceptions to the rule, but Tim Burton's Sleepy Hollow, Roman Polanski's The Ninth Gate, the Hughes brothers from Hell, and Kevin Smith's Tusk were among the very few outliers in Depp's filmography. Not that he's a full-blown scaredy cat by any means, but Depp was nonetheless so troubled by a seminal psychological horror that he ended up suffering from an involuntary physical reaction. There's a science to scary cinema designed to elicit those exact reactions from a captive audience.